Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and today we've got a Dodge with a key problem. Hey everybody, so it's Keith. I'm out here at a shop. Matter of fact, somebody asked just the other day if I only do stuff in the shop now, or if I'm not mobile anymore, if I just do stuff in the shop, because all my videos have been filming at the shop. Realistically, it's because we're super busy out here on the road. I don't go out on the road as much as I used to, hardly at all anymore. But here I am. So we've got a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, or 2015 Ram 1500, I guess, because it's not really a Dodge. Customer says the ignition doesn't post on. There's a damaged key light on, so we got his factory key here. We're gonna I'll roll through this as quick as I can. Again, don't have a whole lot of time, so I thought I'd make this quick and easy, hopefully. So we're gonna use the X tool, or the X-Horse VVDI mini key tool. So I'm gonna put it in the reader, click auto, and it comes up with unknown. Now, I already had YTech hooked up to the car, had my micropod hooked up to it. It's got codes for key transponder faults and stuff. Pretty common stuff for a damaged key. The key's got a little rattle to it. Yeah. And it doesn't read, and it doesn't put out, when I go to frequency mode, it doesn't put out anything there. Also, it's 109 degrees, and that's not a joke. It's 109 degrees today. So, I'm in the shade though. So we've got a replacement key, which is part number for Transponder Island, where I get them is TIK DOD 53. It's a Dodge. So this is a 4QT transponder, 433 megahertz. It has a Philips ID46 transponder chip inside. That's what it should read. The new one reads correctly on the tool. So a quick change of directions. The reason the micropod's out, I've got the Autel KM100 hooked up to the vehicle. I've got the new key. We're gonna go ahead and put that in, get some dinging. I've actually already correctly identified the vehicle by VIN and that it's a phobic key, not a smart key, because this is not a keyless ignition node car. It's just an ignition node. It's not a push button start, basically. So I've ID'd the vehicle, and it says, all right, turn the ignition off and then turn the emergency flashers on. Okay, so ignition off, emergency flashers on, press OK. Password's 1409 on this car. I'll press OK. So we're going to go to hot function, learn key guided type 1. I don't know if it's a type 2 or not, so we're going to find out. Key learning. We're going to go enter system. So click start to run. So if we were doing our previously learned keys, we'd have to do erase. Let's see here. So first thing it's going to do is going to enter the system. Do I want to reread? No, because I've already read it. Place an unprogrammed key into the ignition. Make sure the ignition is the lock position. Current number keys 2. Do you want to continue to learn? Yes. And it says it's going to wait 1 minute. It's going to be the hottest 1 minute I've ever been in here. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Typically it doesn't, even on these key. All right, learn successful. Do you want to learn next key? No. You can see how hot it is. It's sweat. So number of keys 3. Started with 2 before I had 3. So we're going to save that data. It's creating a print file for us. We're just going to save that how it's saved. We'll export that PDF later for our customer. Escape. So we're going to turn the key. I guess the key's already in it, so we're going to turn the flashers off, turn the key on, start the truck, and fixed. All right. There's some other things going on, looks like. Parking brakes engaged. Yeah, he got towed in, so it was in neutral to this shop. So I already undid the neutral thingy. Tow truck driver pulled it. All right. So that was quick, fast, in a hurry, under 6 minutes. So this process was using the KM100. We could have also filled out a D1 to NASTIF. I am a VSP holder, so we could have done that, but I've already verified the documents with the customer. We could have done the job with YTech. It's an easy job, so. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And if you want to learn how to program modules, I got a class coming up August 27th, 28th, right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. 2 days, teach you how to program domestic Asian vehicles, more programming information than you've ever seen before. So, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.